It is a pretty common issue for this hose up here to collapse when people are cruising down the highway and they put their foot in it so that they can take off. So let's see what this thing does here. See that thing sucking in? That hose is no good, needs to be replaced. Bad situation. That hose down there seems pretty soft too. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.